Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to solve another example from CodingBat on Python, another warm-up. For today's exercise, we're going to do Parrot-Trouble. Okay, so the question is asking, we have a loud talking parrot. The hour parameter is the current hour time in the range 0 to 23. We are in trouble if the parrot is talking and the hours is before or after 20. Return true if you're in trouble. Okay, so let's just analyze this question. So a function definition it's given as the function is given as this one. And the talking, it's either a Boolean of a true or false, and the timing is given, the hours is given as integers. So how we can possibly solve this? Just go step by step. Return true if you're in terrible. Okay, so in what cases are we in terrible? We are in terrible if the parrot is talking, so return talking. So if this is true and our hour it's before 7 or after 20. So if hour it's after 20. This will possibly work out, but let's see our results. Okay, this will possibly was the answer. If you enjoy this exercise, please like, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you have any other question. Thank you for watching this video again.